Hello students, today in this video we people are going to study about the applications of Newton's third law of motion. We'll see that how this Newton's third law of motion is seen in our day-to-day life. Before that students, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and do mention your name, class and section in the comment section so that I'll come to know that how many of you are utilizing best of your time in the quarantine period. So students, in the previous video we have talked about Newton's third law of motion, in which we have studied that whenever one body is exerting force on the another body, then that body will also exert force on the first body, and these two forces are always equal in magnitude and opposite in direction, and these two forces are always acting on two different bodies. So the force exerted by the first body on the second body is known as action force, and in return when second body is exerting force on the first body, then we call it reaction force. So in short we can say that for every action there is a reaction force which always acts in opposite direction with an equal magnitude, and they always act in two different bodies. So in today's video we people will be studying these applications of Newton's third law of motion. We'll see few examples of our day-to-day life in which this Newton's third law of motion is applicable. So let's start with the first application of Newton's third law of motion.
The swimmer pushes the water backwards and therefore the water is pushing the swimmer in the forward direction. You can see the picture, and in this way the swimmer is able to swim in the water. Now what is happening here? The swimmer is exerting an action force on the water in the backward direction. So in return, by Newton's third law of motion, the water is also exerting force in the swimmer but in the opposite direction, that is in the forward direction, and because of which what is happening, the swimmer is able to swim in the water in the forward direction. Now students, let's study about the second application of Newton's third law of motion, and also I'll say the most important application. It says that the gun recoils when the bullet is fired from the gun. We'll talk about this word recoil. See, first of all, I am having a gun and this gun is firing a bullet. So now what is happening? The gun is exerting force on this bullet in the forward direction. Now here I am having two bodies. One is the gun and one is the bullet. The first body is exerting force on the second body in the forward direction. So what will happen by Newton's third law of motion? The bullet will also exert the same amount of force on the gun but in the opposite direction. So whenever this bullet is fired from the gun moves in the backward direction, and when the gun moves in the backward direction we say that the gun recoils. The gun moving in the backward direction means the gun is recoiling. So you people might have seen the soldiers putting their guns on the on their shoulders, because if they will not put it properly, then what will happen? They can hurt their face. So it's very important to hold the gun properly while firing the bullets from it. Now let's come to the third application, that is the rowing boat moves in the opposite direction when the sailor jumps out of it. See what happens, let's suppose a sailor is rowing a boat and he wants to come on the seashore. So what will happen? He will push his body in the forward direction. So in this, what is happening? An equal and opposite force is exerted on the boat in the backward direction by Newton's third law of motion. You can see in the picture. Hence, whenever you people are jumping out of that rowing boat, what will happen to the boat? The boat will move in the backward direction. Students, there are many more applications of Newton's third law of motion. You people can study it yourself and you can tell me in the comment section.
So students, this was all for today. I hope you people understood the applications of Newton's third law of motion. We'll meet in the next lecture now. Till then, students, you people take care and have a good day. Bye bye.